Hello, I'm Mike Stewart with Wildrose Kennels, home of the Gentleman's Gun Dog located in Oxford, Mississippi. These are dogs that have to do multi-game, dogs of duality, ducks in the morning, quail in the afternoon, then come in and watch the big screen TV. Today we're going to show you one of our training exercises. We do them every week. We call them group training. We get together every Wednesday, all the trainers come together, and we work the dogs as a group. If your dog doesn't get that type of exposure, he's going to come unglued in the duck blind. When you go tucking in there with other dogs, he has to sit steady, quiet, and honor. The wheels can really run off. So we practice every week with transitional exercises, and I encourage you to do that. Now, the tools we're going to use today are fantastic. We've set up a duck blind scenario. The guys are going to get in with the shotguns, decoys are laid out, we got spinner ducks going, and these launchers are going to put the birds over from behind us like a passing shot coming in. So the guns are going to go like this, the birds are going to fall out front, and every dog has to honor. One dog is going to get to retrieve, the other 3 to 4 that are in the group are going to honor. That means one dog is going to move off the stand, another one comes in, he gets to have that retrieve. But only if he's steady. The Wildrose way says, if they're whining, if they're moving, if they're unsteady, trying to break, don't reward it with the retrieve. Now, let's look at today's setup. We have a water source. It really works much like this. This is all timber, very realistic. A duck blind is set in here. It's actually a boat blind, brushed out in front, and we have a dog stand here, and one back here. These will be the honor dogs. They have to sit still and quiet. What does honor mean? They don't run in, they don't break. As the bumpers go down, the shots are fired, they sit still and quiet. That means quiet too. No squeaking, no making noise. The launcher systems are set here, spiraling in different directions. So as they are fired, boom, the falls are going out in front of the blind. The birds are actually coming behind the dogs like this and sailing out front. We have the other one here. We'll have another one here. So we rotate the dogs. Each dog gets a turn. As we rotate, there's 2 honors for every retrieve. And that's about the scenarios we want to see. 50% of the bumpers are denied. Either another dog or you pick them up in this type of scenario. These things are exciting. This is the remote DT system. It uses electronic launcher that you can load, preset, cock, and put 4 or 5 of them out on working on one remote. So all your mates can get in the boats, can get on the water stand, sit there, keep the dog steady, and start firing these launchers. This is going to come flying off, come past the blind, and the dog is going to make the retrieve as the other dogs honor. Then you just simply rotate again and use another launcher. There's a lot of different types of bumpers you can use as well. There's orange ones, there's green ones, there's small ones, there's big ones. You can use a lot of different types of bumpers on one system. And you can fire multiple launchers from different directions to practice your waterfowl. I could think of a great scenario taking this product, setting it out in the field, setting it out in the boat, I should say, pushing the boat out, hopping in the blind, and having the birds coming over and falling in behind me, just practicing for those behind the blind falls. DT systems are great, they're rugged, they'll last you years and years of pleasure and authentic training for you and your dog.